Hi, this is Meir from Bear Bull Traders Community. Today is Thursday, August 1st. I want to share my recap, my second recap that I'm doing. Coming into the day, WLL was on the gappers. It was down like from $17 all the way down to 13. It was down like 20% or more. So I definitely had a short bias coming into the day. So I put this on my watch list, and now let me scroll over. Yeah, so as soon as it opened, it was weak, so I got short here at like 13.16. I got filled. Um, then when it broke down the 13, it broke the 13 level. I covered a little bit. And then being that I was looking at the level 2 and not at the charts, as I said in the beginning, the first few minutes, or I really tend to focus on the level 2. So I saw it going. The numbers went up. I wasn't really focusing on the dollar number. I was just looking at the cents. So I saw it like dropped here to like all the way down to 0 and then all the way back to 80. So I thought that it was squeezing against me. Being that it was down so much, I was afraid of a short squeeze. So I ended up just pressing my hot button cover all here at 1260, thinking that it was 1360 from the level 2. And then I realized that I got out when it was actually going in my favor and not against me. So that was unfortunate, and I watched it go down all the way, which was not really so good, but alright, it happens. It was a mistake. I was all out, made a little bit of money, so that was fine. So after that, I looked over at CXO. So looking at the daily chart, this was really beaten down. Closed yesterday at 98. It was all the way down to $80 in the pre-market, so it was down like 20%. And one thing I've learned is that really weak stocks down 15, 20, 25%. I don't wanna short. I don't wanna be long in such a stock. If I wanna be in the stock, I wanna be short. So I'm really short biased, and if the short doesn't represent itself, I don't wanna be in the stock. So coming in, I was watching this. Um, over here. Yes, so it really dumped ahead of the open, and then it was sold off a little bit, popped up to VWAP. I saw it couldn't break VWAP, so I was like, all right, let me take this short. So I got in here at 79 about, covered at 78.50, partial, a quarter of my position, and then before I had a chance, it just squeezed back up. So I ended up getting out for a loss overall because I still had 3/4 of my position over here. That was the first trade. Then I'm like I kept on looking at it, and I saw that here like 3 wicks, but every time it was being knocked down every single time. So I decided, let me try this again. I shorted again at 79, but I got squeezed quickly here up to 79.50 about, or 60 or 70, I'm not sure. And I wanted to get out, fearing that it was going to be another short squeeze above VWAP. So as it turned out, it actually was a big short squeeze that it squeezed up all the way to 81. So I'm glad that I got out of that. But then I was still watching it, and I saw that it cannot really hold. So it came back quickly all the way down to 80. So when it broke the 80 level, I sold here with a tight stop, being that it was my last time I was gonna attempt this. I have a rule 3 times. I go into a trade 3 times max. I'm not gonna try it more than 3 times. So I went with a little bit more size, tighter stop at 80. As it cracked through 80, I wanted to get filled at 70. I pressed the button, but I didn't get a good fill at 79.51. But it turned out that it really worked out well. I started covering as it cracked down to 78, as it cracked down to 78.50. Then here more as it cracked the whole dollar of 78, more here at the half dollar, then again towards the whole dollar. This was towards the low of day I covered. Then when it cracked the low of day, I covered again. Then it came back up all the way, not all the way, I guess it was a retracement. It came back up here and it went through the 9 moving average on the 1. That's when I decided, you know what, I just have a teeny part of my position left, so let me just get out of it, which I did. It turned out it ended up coming back and even cracking a little bit, but that's okay because I had such a small position anyways in it, and it was like a 3R trade. You know, I risked 50 cents, actually a 4-hour trade, risked 50 cents, ended up getting an average of $2 per share, which is wonderful, which is great. So this ended up, so it was a bit of a battle. It wasn't an easy day, but all in all, it was a good day. So my P&L, my total P&L was almost $50, which is very good, above my daily goal. Yesterday was a difficult day. Today was a better day, which I'm glad. You know, in the past, if I would have a tough day, I would it would carry over into different days. Today I bounced right back, came back to it, had a good day. So that's good. My goal is base it, small wins, consistency, slowly trying to build up my confidence and my account. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any comments, you can leave it below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, everyone.